In a world where niggas wear do-rags, one guy, one wave, one fake gauge will change the world via YouTube. And that guy is Dreylinrashad.
He ain't worth shit. You gon' hear us what the fuck I said. You gon' hear us?
Yeah.
Just a little Wayne. I'm drinking hypnotic and wine to drink away the pain. I'm still at it. I'm still on my grind. We got videos and hypnotic. It's our time.
He's not even in it. Fuck you, Jerome. He ain't even worth it. And fuck you. He ain't worth it. Shit, you wanna ride with that ugly asshole? You be with that ratchet asshole. Cool. We're gonna leave that alone.
Man, why you letting them talk to you fucking like that?
Oh, wait a minute. Let's play that again.
Cops call the 5-0. I'm like, shit, I got 20 sacks of fucking dro. And my eyes are laid low. I put that bitch down and I slam to the fucking floor.
No, man. They want you to run that shit? Get in there. Come on, they want to run that shit. Let's run this shit. And if I see it hit the ground, I'm picking up and that's it.
Can't fucking catch me. I'm drinking wine, sipping on fucking Hennessy. From Tennessee, you some fucking wieners. I'm over here saying orderly like you're a fucking beaner. I'm still eating snow.
This is going on Facebook, my nigga.
Facebook, let's go. Facebook.
No jumping in, but when she hit the floor, I'm picking her up.
Alright then, Koya. Alright then, Koya.
You better work that motherfucking hoe. Work that hoe. Work that hoe. Don't touch me.
Tell her, come on.
Come on,
Koya.
Work that hoe.
Take her to the ground.
Work that hoe. Work that hoe. Work that hoe. Work that hoe. Work that hoe.
Go, Taylor. Alright then, Koya.
Koya, work that motherfucker.
You niggas on that shit, but I'm steadily on this flow. My superpower, I glow. Yo, bitch ass on the floor. I step you down at your door. You sell the shit by $20, ho.
This nigga been freestyling for over a minute, cuz.
Break that up! Break it up! What is this nigga doing? Why you fighting her, fool? I'm still crunk here.
Yeah.
Chilling. Well, why y'all fighting?
Come on, chill out.
Alright, man, I'm about to go to the crib. This some old bullshit, feel me?
What's up, YouTube fam? Y'all know what y'all gotta do. I hope y'all like this video. If you do, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, you know what I mean? And if you like some Ratchet stuff, let me know in the comments, because you know I live in Ratchet City. I got video clips for days. And yeah, subscribe to the funnies. More funnies coming soon. And yeah, see y'all next time. Mom, is this all I get for Christmas?